Hey guys, it's Brandon. How's it going? Thanks for watching all these videos about how to use this BB Flashback Express software. It's going to be a great program we're going to be using throughout this semester, and something that I actually used when I was working at a couple of my different jobs for creating training videos. So if you guys get good at this software and you can use it out in the real world, using finger quotes there, I think it'll help go and save you guys a ton of time and make you look like a hero around the office. So what we're going to be doing in this video is I'm going to show you guys how to upload your BB Flashback Express videos to YouTube. So what I did is I just created a quick little video of me doing the Let's Go clap, and as soon as I stop the video, as you've seen and played with, it asks you to save the video. So I saved my video. It's on my desktop right here. It's called Upload to YouTube. So when I double click that, it's going to open it up in the player. So we'll let that go and open up here. Getting all loading. So you can see this is my desktop. There's me doing the clapping. So that's the video I'm going to be uploading to the YouTubes. So I can't upload this saved file. This file is something that only works inside of the BB Flashback Express program. So what we are going to need to do is export it into a format that YouTube recognizes. Right here in the BB Flashback Express player is an export button. So when we click that, it gives us two different options, and I've tested both options. Both AVI and Flash formats work to be uploaded onto YouTube. Flash seemed to work a little faster, so I'm going to stay with Flash here just for this example, but you could click AVI over here if you want. So by clicking Flash, you hit OK. It's going to ask you a couple of different options here. We're just going to leave everything on default and hit the export button down here. It's going to ask me where I want to save it. I'm just going to save it onto my desktop. You should create a software apps for business videos folder somewhere so that way you guys can keep these organized. I'm going to keep the name as Upload to YouTube. So all I got to do is hit save. It's going to go through its whole process here. I'll let that finish up. So it's going to say export to Flash here, exported OK to, do you want to export it now? We'll say yes, and that is all done. It may open up, because it's Flash, it may open up a browser window for you just to automatically play it for you, but you can go ahead and just close that if you want. Now if we go back to our desktop where I saved the file to, I have this here. It ended up with a couple of different versions of the upload to YouTube. So this one here is in our BB Flashback Express icon, so that can only be opened by BB Flashback Express. This one here, if we go to the properties of it, this is our .flv, so this is our Flash file that we created, the one we want to upload to YouTube. This one down here it's a .swf file, and that is used by a whole different program. It's just created automatically when we go and download that. So if you have that there, you can just delete that. You don't need it. This one here is the web page. I have Chrome set as my default, but it's an HTML document, so if we double click this, it's going to actually attempt to open the Flash video here in a Google website. So it's going to have here our upload to YouTube. It's trying to play it in Flash inside of the browser, so we can just close that. We don't need that. This one here, this if you go to properties, this .flv file, that's the file we want to be working with. So what we need to do now is open up YouTube. So I have my YouTube channel here where I've done this a couple of other times. If we go to my video manager, you can see I have my week 1 welcome video that you guys all saw here last week, and what I want to do is go to the upload button up here. Now make sure you're logged into your lab Gmail account that we created in week 1 so that you can upload this to that. So once you're logged into your lab Gmail account, you can go to YouTube. I can see here, if we click, I'm in my BrandonFS4B@gmail.com, so you should be in yours by clicking on the little circle dude up here. If we click the upload button, It's actually really quite easy. If we kind of minimize this a little bit, all you got to do is drag and drop this file right into there, and it starts uploading it to YouTube for us. So load to YouTube is going to be the name of this one. It goes through its whole uploading process. Now it's doing a processing. I can give it a description. This is just a test. We can set whether it's going to be public, unlisted, or private. We'll leave it as public. We can leave a message in there. We can add it to a playlist if we want to. We can tag it with some different stuff. It gives us a couple of different thumbnails we could set for like the first couple of seconds of the video that we wanted to put on here. So we have that option, and it tells us what the link is going to be. So processing is all done. We've selected which thumbnail we want to do. We've added our description and our name. It's on public. So now we're going to hit the publish button. And once we hit that, then we'll be able to go and take this link right here and copy that. I'll bring here a new web browser over. Let me hit enter. And there's our YouTube video. So if you have any questions about this, given the whole point of this week is how to answer your software questions, feel free to utilize any other type of YouTube, fellow classmates, things like that, help documents on how you can upload this file to YouTube. If you have any other problems, feel free to go ahead and contact me, and I'll help try to go ahead and put you in the right direction. So good luck.